how to create a broadcast channel on your Instagram. If you want to create a broadcast channel, then first of all open your Instagram application, then hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then select three lines on the top right corner. From here, go through the account privacy and turn off the private account if you have turned it on, and search for create channel option. You can also search it on the top bar. If you don't have create channel option in your setting and activity, then you need to see that if any objects are available in your Instagram. Go to the App Store and search for the Instagram and see if any objects is available. If not, then go back to the Instagram and then click on the help or report a problem. Then select report problem without second and include and continue, and then briefly explain your problem that in your Instagram create channel feature is not available. They will solve your issue and you will be able to create a broadcast channel. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.